Hello YouTube, this is TechShow 2.0 here, and we have an unboxing of the Apple wired keyboard today. Let's start with the unboxing then. Just get my knife out. Also, whilst you're watching, can you tell me what the lighting's like? I haven't got a proper light yet, but I'm using my sister's one. Tell me what you think, and then I'll buy a proper one if it's not as good. Alright, here we go. The keyboard actually retails at £40, probably cheaper if you buy it offline. Alright, there we go. Okay, so here's the keyboard itself. It's got protective film on. Just put that to the side for the moment so you can see what else is in the box. Got an USB adapter. Just an extension cable. And then we have the packet information. Got a bit about the Apple keyboard itself. Where's the Apple stickers? Just some warranty information. Why don't they have Apple stickers? Okay, so we don't have Apple stickers now. Alright. I'll just take the film off here for this. I think the new version of the keyboard, they're changing it slightly to be compatible with Lion. You do hear some noise in the background, that's just my dog on my bed staring out of the window messing around. I'll remove that to the side for the moment. Very nice keyboard. If you're wondering why I've got a keyboard and I'm using my PC, it's because it's a Hackintosh, and when I'm editing and everything, it's annoying to find the keys on my current keyboard. Very nice. Got two USB slots, one there, one there, either end of the computer. Keyboard, I must say. Don't want to bang it around too much. And just this is the extension cable. Ugh. There we go. Very nice. Alright, that's the unboxing. If you want to rate, comment, subscribe, that'd be great. Also, don't forget to tell me what the license like. And tell me why they don't supply Apple stickers anymore. I'm a bit annoyed. Thanks for watching. This is TechShow 2.0. Also, if you go to my website, it'll be down below in the section below. And then if you have a look on that, the video will also be posted on there. It's a general technology website. It'd be great if you could have a look. Thanks for watching.